Hello there, welcome to DIY Ed.
The problem was that with the wind and especially the rain, it just bowed in and we had a bit damage. And the rain was not even heavy, so as you see, there is a bit.
So, on the day the video was recorded, there was a forecast of around 16 miles per hour winds. I think the gusts were probably up to around 20 miles per hour. To the best, from what I can see, the gazebo is still standing. It's been a week or more probably since I've recorded the video, and various kind of weather, so I haven't had any problem as such yet. I wouldn't advise to have it standing at extreme weathers, as I've said before. But I'm sure the leg weights along with the decking anchors and the solution put for the roof so that the water just trickles away rather than pools out in the slacked up area and sags the roof, and it should not happen. Fingers crossed. I'm hoping to enjoy this gazebo for days to come, at least during the current summer. With that, I conclude this test as a past success. Yay!